The ZANU-PF Secretary for Legal Affairs Patrick CHAMISA has reposted a lengthy statement on X, formerly Twitter, confirming the co-option of controversial businessman Tagwirei in the party's Central Committee, just hours after taking down the original post. Zinamida mashoko kuda panguva ino, CHAMISA achideclare again Tagwirei's Central Committee appointment achiti iri irreversible. Nobody subscribe or like on the bell icon. Now the move is still speculation over possible internal differences or confusion within the ruling party's senior leadership. The decision to briefly remove, then restore the post has triggered intense speculation online, with many observers questioning whether there were conflicting positions within the party over Tagwirei's controversial inclusion. In the re-uploaded message shared without alterations, CHAMISA sought to clarify the process and the timeline while expressing confusion over the public backlash. The controversy surrounding Comrade Tagwirei's co-option into the Central Committee surprises me, and it took me completely off guard, given Comrade Tagwirei's commitment to ZANU-PF and his track record in the service of the party. The somewhat negative publicity and the narrative surrounding his co-option into the Central Committee is undeserved. The co-option of Comrade Tagwirei is the first ever to be the subject of discussion in social media commentaries. The only explanation why the Tagwirei co-option has attracted such controversy may be because there are people out there who, for reasons best known to themselves, have an axe to grind. At its 385th organization of the Politburo, the following co-options were tabled by the National Political Commissar and were approved. Marsh West, Comrade Polite Kambamura, Christine Kwati and Joseph Serima, Matt North, Comrade Colin Levele. This means that at the next ZANU-PF Central Committee meeting, the National Political Commissar will table for noting and adopting 5 co-options into the Central Committee, namely Comrade Kudakwashi Tagwirei, Polite Kambamura, Christine Kwati, Joseph Serima, and Colin Levele. Those with eyes, let them eye, and those with ears, let them ear. Nokuti hatigoni kurega kutaura izvo takaona neizvo takanzwa. Ndomashoko ari kuda panguva ino. Aiwa, vana CHAMISA vachita maripost panguva ino, vanhu zvareza maquestions ekuti chamuita kuti mambomadhiliza chimbori chii. Mbotidzai mafungiro enyu motodii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pana comment section medu, subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.